So what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. And what's pretty interesting is when I say $1,000 a month, you probably think, oh, just $1,000. Think about what an extra $1,000 can do for you. Really think about that, right? So that's the goal for about 80%. But what about the others? You know what I mean? The 20%, you know, some people are going to not really stay consistent, but there's going to be a 0.1%, and that 0.1% are the people that I'm searching for. I'm looking to see, okay, who's really going to take this to the next level? Who's really going to get to the 6-figure per year mark? And from there, those are the people that I'm looking to attract so that we can be able to build the next company that I'm looking to create in the future. So I'm really excited about that. Let's go ahead and get started with EURUSD. What we do is what we call this week in the markets. When it comes to EURUSD, what we see here is we have, and mind you, we called this out a while ago. I don't know how long ago it was, but we said point A, point B, point C. Oh, let me go ahead and record this. All right. What's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is EURUSD. What we have here is point A, point B, point C. And mind you, we called the fact that price would pull down to 61.8 since back here, literally since back here. And this did exactly what we called. So hopefully you caught this take profit. And I'm pretty sure this is where I called it at 1.121. And from there, we're looking at the continuation of that trend, like we mentioned. So 61.8 is exactly where price got to. And with that being the case, we're seeing higher highs and higher lows. Being the fact that we're seeing higher highs and higher lows, we see the breaking structure, we see the retrace, we see the level of support being held. From there, we see the bullish engulfing pattern, continuation. Boom. That's all you need. That's all you need. Now, where are we going? Where are we going? All right. Where are we going? Well, what's all of this? Let's go to the daily, clean it up a little bit. So where are we going? Where we are going is 1.14 flat. 1.14 flat. And with that being the case, like, I'm going to reiterate what we were talking about from before. If anything, I'll keep my stop. I'll just put it like at this point right here. 119. 119. And I'll bump up the lot size. All right. Here's the thing. I do want to mention, though, when it comes to the full trend of the market, this has been a downtrend for a long time. Like I was talking about from before, being the fact that we've had the full flow of the market being a downtrend, and it's a major downtrend. Just because we have this little bitty pullback right here, and when I say little bitty pullback, it's a broken structure based on the H4 time frame. But what I always say is structure is more important than a break of structure. So with that being the case, yes, it broke structure on the H4 time frame on the small time frame. But what happened to all of this? This has been the full trend of the market, right? And just because this is broken structure does not mean that this is going to start making higher highs and higher lows. Yes, my take profit is here right now just because this is what structure is telling me right now. But we do have to focus on what is the long-term trend telling us. You know, what has been the daily and the weekly time frame telling us? It's a full downtrend. But we do have the H4 time frame breaking structure. This is looking kind of crazy over here. We do have the H4 time frame breaking structure, as we can see clearly over here. And you know, it made a higher high. Looks like this is a higher low, getting to 61.8, creating a bullish engulfing pattern based on the M30 time frame. And you can kind of say that, I guess, on the H4 time frame as well. Hell yeah, I'm not even gonna front. This right here, this full candle right here, a full bullish candle that engulfs this area right here. This is exactly what we're looking for. Now we're looking for the continuation of the markets past its last high, getting to about 114. And at that 114 level, I'll go ahead and pull my trade, or I'll pull out a portion of my trade. I probably won't do the entire trade. I'll probably do a portion of it. And we'll go on from there. So very, very simple trade right here, guys. If at any point in time that you like anything that we just said, what I would highly suggest is we have a free 1 hour Forex training that you can be able to get access to. In that training, what we do is I share a little bit about myself and how I got started with trading, and then from there I talk about 5 secrets to becoming a Forex professional now. Also, I would also call them 5 secrets to learn how to be able to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. And then from there, what we do is we share, who we are as a company, what we're looking to be able to actually create. And then after that, I offer our full course. So instead of just 1 hour, you can be able to get access to 15+ hours, plus a community of other traders as well. So if you like any of that, go to fxpronow.com. You can be able to get access to everything. If you have any questions, you can also go to fxpronow.com, scroll to the bottom, and ask me whatever question that you'd like. All right, guys, greatly appreciate your time. Peace. All right, AUDUSD. AUDUSD. This did exactly to the freaking T as well. To the T. Hopefully you guys are still in this trade. Literally to the T. All right. All right, what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. This is a very simple trade. We called this to the T, just like how we did EURUSD. This is beautiful right here. So we went point A, point B. We called the fact that it would pull up to about 38.2, anywhere in this region, and it did. It got to 38.2 and it fell off. All right. This is based on the daily time frame. We had to back up in time frames because this push to the downside was very, very aggressive. Now, when it comes to this area over here, we saw the fact that price was starting to stall up. Once it started to stall up like this, I exited out of my buy, and then from there, you could have seen based upon the M30 time frame. If you were to scroll down here, you'll be able to see the fact that we said, hey, listen, price is going to pull back a bit, and from pulling back, come on, man. And from pulling back, price will find some level of resistance, and then from there continue its way to the downside, and that's exactly what it did. So price went ahead and where did it break? This was a level of support. So I guess this was the break right here. It didn't really have a full retracement, but you should have caught this already. You should have caught it either way. So we caught this push to the downside, and now we're up a good amount of pips. Let me see how many pips. We would have caught it most likely around there. So about 145 pips right now. Hopefully you caught this. Mind you, we called this to the T. All right, guys. Now, it still has some more push to it. The rule that I make is if you didn't catch the move, you lost the move. If you get in halfway through and price reverses on you, that's your fault. Here's the thing, guys. This is the analogy that I put out mostly in my in-person course. What I explain to people is, hey, listen, think about if you are a surfer. Now, I don't know how many of you guys surf. I don't, but I've seen people surf. And when it comes to a surfer, it's not like the surfer will see the wave, let the wave pass by, and then be like, oh, a wave, and then get in halfway through the wave, is almost done, and then it crashes, and then, the guy wipes out. Most likely, the way that surfers work is they'll see a wave coming, and before the wave starts, they'll start paddling. And as they're moving in the direction of the wave, now the wave comes and takes the surfer. And then the surfer will have all the fun that he wants as the wave, is going. And before the wave crashes, he gets out. As opposed to the wave is halfway through, jumps in, trying to get as much fun as he can within that wave, and then the thing crashes. And as opposed to just hitting a rock, you probably lost some money. So that's how I do things, guys. If you missed it all the way up here and it's halfway through, negative 27% is right there, you missed it. Because price, it doesn't have to get to the take profit. It doesn't have to. It could literally stop right here and then continue to the upside. I don't think it's going to do that, but it can. So with that being the case, guys, hopefully you understood the analogy that I had. Probably I could have put it a little bit better. But if you liked anything that we just said, what I highly encourage you guys to do is go to fxpronow.com. We have a free 1-hour Forex training that you can do to get access to. Being the fact that it's only 1 hour, I can't throw in everything in there, right? What I do is I share who I am, so I'm not some weirdo. How I learned about Forex and stuff like that. Then I share 5 secrets to becoming a Forex professional now. I share the vision of what we're looking to do as a company, and then from there I give you an offer of our full course that you can get access to, over 15 hours of content where I'm teaching you exactly step by step everything that you can be able to see here, but how and why I'm saying everything. It may seem very simple right here, because I promise you, it is 100%. This once you get it, you get it. The most important part is the in-betweens, but also it's the mindset portion. Being around a community of people that can be able to hold you accountable is very important as well, and that's what we offer with what we got going on. But it's way more than that. And when you get started, you'll be able to see what we're talking about. So greatly appreciate your time, guys. If you have any questions, go to fxpronow.com as well. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Ask whatever question that you need. I'm very accessible. Greatly appreciate your time, guys. Peace. All right. So, UJ. Waiting for the charts. We got a very, very slow pullback. Loading. There you go. All right, so this only went to 23.6. This is not it's either it's a continuation right now, which would be freaking wild, or this is gonna hold that level of support right here and come back. I don't trust 23.6, and I definitely would encourage you not to either. What's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is USDJPY, point A, point B. We only got to 23.6. What you're going to learn in my course is the fact that if price only gets to 23.6, this is not a true pullback, quote unquote. This is not a true lower high. All right, it's not. And this is very, very dangerous. Price can continue. If it does continue, this is a very strong, aggressive downtrend. And mind you, I believe it because we called a while ago based upon the daily time frame. This level of resistance up here, if anything, we can go to the weekly. This level of resistance right here at 114 is extremely strong. I know here, this is it right here. Strong level of resistance at 114. This area right here is crazy strong. And price literally did not want to be able to break through there. And bam, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Remember when I said next area TP, let's see if we can go here with no pullbacks. This is exactly what I said. That is fire. I'm probably erasing a lot of the stuff that I need, but guys, like this right here. Oh, I need that. I know that I need that. I promise you, this right here is clutch, man. Here's the thing, guys. We had an ascending triangle. We had a level of resistance that was being held, and it wasn't going to get broken. If I was to back up in time frames, go to the monthly and explain all that, I can, but I'm not going to. We have a strong level of resistance right here. We had this area right here ascending, and we actually had this trend line. I don't want to call it broken as of yet, but I'm pretty sure it's broken. And I'm pretty sure we're going to go to 105, and I'm pretty sure we're going to get there pretty fast. Here's the thing, guys. Like I challenge you guys, especially if you're in my course. If you paid for my course, you actually want to take this thing seriously. Um, Guys, do research on the Japanese yen. What are they doing? Why is it that they're the only currency, not the only currency, but why do they devalue their currency? You know, research that type of stuff. You know, what is it about the Japanese that makes them do that? Why do the Chinese devalue their yuan or their dollar, whatever it is that you want to call it? Why do they do that? And with that, you can be able to understand how they move and the fact that they literally can control their own currency. And with that being the case, you can be able to start putting things together with that. You know what I mean? Am I a fundamental type of trader? No, but I think it's still important that you know, just know what's going on. Think. All right. So with that being the case, I see price getting to 105. I don't know exactly how it's going to get there. All I know is when it comes to this retracement right here, it's not enough. I'm personally not going to enter in as of yet. If price continues, it continues. But 23.6 for me is not what I mess with. I need price to get up to this area right here, at the least, to 109 area. Price gets to 109, I feel comfortable. Other than that, yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay missing out because I don't like to lose. All right, because this right here, I just don't see that this was a real retracement here. So with that being the case, point A, point B. But let's say if it was a real retracement, let's say I'm wrong. Here's the thing, guys. When you trade, you're going to be wrong, and that's okay. See, the thing is, when it came to schools and stuff like that, schools taught us that being wrong is a bad thing. Nah, man. Being wrong means that you attempted at least. So, point I just don't be wrong again. It's called learning. So, point A, point B, and we got 38.2 here. You know, so now we got to ask ourselves, okay, over here, was this a true, you know, retracement? If price holds level of support and pulls back up even further, then this was not the real retracement, and then we can be able to move this back over here. You know, me personally, I'm just not touching it. I don't think it's worth it. You're gonna make way too many more pips on EURUSD and AUDUSD to be worrying about this being in a consolidation phase. Because as you can see here, it's been over here since the beginning of the month. I'm okay. What's today? The 17th, and it's been in this area. I'm okay. I'll use my lot sizes for other places. So, if you like anything that we had that we spoke about just now, we call this this week in the markets. But we also have a free 1-hour Forex training that you can get access to. What we do in there on fxpronow.com, you can be able to get to know who I am. Also be able to see 5 secrets to becoming a Forex professional now that I put in there as well. Being the fact it's only 1 hour, there's only so much that I can be able to do. I also share exactly what our company is about and what we're looking to do in the future. And then from there, we give you an offer so that you would get access to our full 15-hour course where we break down everything to the T and exactly everything I just said. Even if you're confused, you will most likely understand after the course, right? fxpronow.com is where you can get that free 1-hour Forex training. If you have any questions at all, you can go to fxpronow.com, scroll to the bottom, and ask me whatever question that you would like. I'm very accessible. Really appreciate your time, guys. Peace. All right. GJ. Somebody put in the chat, oh, it's pushing lower than the low. They did. Wow. Holy crap, man. Every time I see this, it's like I don't even want to talk about it. I really don't even want to talk about it, man. We call this all the way back here. We call this all the way back here. I'm looking at the weekly level. This is going to go all the way to 131.5. No, it doesn't need nothing, guys. Like, look at this. Here, let me just go ahead and, I'm not even gonna do this one. Or should I? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. All right, what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to FXPronow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is GBPJPY. When it comes to GBPJPY, we literally see something once, not once in a lifetime, but once in a year type thing. The fact that this is just continuing its way to the downside. And here's the thing, guys, like, we usually expect a pullback, and we're so fixed on the fact that, pullbacks come, every week or every 2 weeks or something like that. Well, what time frame you're looking at? Because here's the thing, this technically didn't really have a true pullback. What was its pullback? Well, this push was from August 2015 all the way through till October 2016. That's a year and 3 months or something like that of a push. How long was the pullback? Well, from October 16 to February 18. So that was the pullback. Now this is a continuation of this. All right. So with that being the case, it doesn't need to do nothing. It can literally just keep on pushing, pushing, pushing. Now I see price getting to 131 and then finding some type of something. But honestly, man, like, this is insane. Like, we called this push to the downside all the way back here, and I was expecting that pullback, and that's where I messed up. I was expecting the pullback, and because I was expecting the pullback, I only caught probably about 150 pips of this thing, and then another 100 pips over here. And then I was in a buy over here thinking, oh, this is where the pullback's coming, and it did, and then it did, and it broke its level of support, which is insane, man. So as opposed to assuming and stuff like that, you just got to go with what it's saying, and not really guess. Just literally just do what it's saying, essentially like following directions, you know what I mean? And honestly, man, like, this was like easy money. This is literally easy money, where it has pullbacks for you to scale in on. Like, dang, man. Oh. So that was not a true pullback. As you can see, only 23.6. But this push, man, is just crazy. Just crazy. So how much is left on this, man? How much is left? At the least 400 pips. And that's small compared to what, like, this full push is. 1,400 pips, guys. We already missed out on 1,000. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, man. So with that being the case, guys, no real teaching on this one right here, but what I would say is follow the rules that are being taught. Follow the rules, Philip. Talking to me too. Half the stuff that I tell you guys, I'm talking to me. Right? I'm talking to me. Don't think that, because I'm showing you this stuff, I'm perfect. I'm not perfect. Okay, I'm not perfect. All right. Yeah, we'll catch the next one. When is that going to come? Something like this, something different. Anyways, so no real teaching, but we do have a free 1 hour Forex training that you will get access to on FXPronow.com. Literally, we break down as much as we can within a 1 hour time frame, where I share who I am, because as opposed to just, you listening to some weirdo, you don't even know who he is. You got to know who I am first. So I share a little bit about my backstory, how I got into Forex and stuff like that. Then from there, I go ahead and, share 5 secrets of what I believe are 5 secrets to becoming a Forex professional now. Very basic things, but very, very important things that you can be able to add into what you got going on. And from there, we share our vision of what we got going on with our company and what we're looking to do in the future with our students. And then from there, what we do is we go ahead and we give you an offer of how you can be able to also get started with us and be able to get access to over 15 hours of content that I've been able to put together. Literally no fluff, guys. I promise you, no fluff. We're really looking to be able to make something large happen as a group, and you'll be able to see in the webinar. So fxpronow.com is where you can be able to get access to everything. And from there, if you have any questions, you can be able to also write to me on fxpronow.com. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You can be able to contact me from there. I'm very accessible. Greatly appreciate your time, guys. Peace. All right. So for everybody that's gone ahead and actually stayed, you know, I know for some of you guys that you guys have seen what we got going on our actual website. So this is the website I was talking about for everybody that's new here. This is the website right here, fxpronow.com. You can be able to type that in. And when you type that in, you're going to be able to, you know, see a little bit about my story and stuff like that. But then after that, you can be able to actually see that free Forex trading that we have access to. Can you guys see my screen? Yeah. The free Forex trading that we have access to. When you click on here, make sure that you register, put in all your information, and then you can be able to watch it. Make sure that you have a clear internet service and you have 1 full hour, because let me tell you guys, there's a lot of information in here, okay? And then also, there's some stories here. I want you guys to see what other people, you know, are saying about our course, you know. Listen to what they got to say about it. I think it would be, you know, pretty cool to be able to see that. And, you know, really what sets us apart? Well, you know, number one, we're looking to be able to go ahead and have people become profitable Forex traders. From there, we want to explore. We really want to have some fun together and stuff like that. We call it FX on the beach, and you can be able to click here to learn more. And then also, we're looking to be able to create a legacy and also give back. So I want to talk about this portion right here, because for the first time, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be the only time, I'm actually going to allow people that are not in the course to actually come on and actually experience, to see what members are going to be experiencing, you know, apart with us, right? So we have a trip coming in Mexico. Nueva Vallarta, Mexico. It's on the west side of Mexico. It's going to be a 5-day, 4-night trip, March 2020. It's going to be so much fun. I'm really, really excited to be able to have everybody come with us. There's actually a video here that you can be able to actually see what the hotel that we're going to, not even the hotel, the resort that we're going to be staying at, you know, and see what it's like and stuff like that. So, you know, I go ahead and check that out right there. If anything, you guys can be able to look at it as I'm talking about it. This is the link right here, right? And from there, you could be able to see all the pictures of everything, you know, the entire trip and stuff like that, everything that's going to be included. But here, so what's included with this specific trip? So it's all inclusive, all you can eat, all you can drink. We have specialty restaurants that you're going to get access to, round trip airport transfers. So we're going to pick you up at the airport, drop you off to the hotel. We're going to have a welcome party and a farewell party on the trip as well, right? And let me tell you something, guys, like this hotel is really, really nice, but it's just more than that. Me, when I go on vacation, I want to make sure I have tours included. So we have 2 tours included with this trip right here. They call it the Yalapa Mariatis. I don't know how to pronounce that thing. Tour. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a boat. It's going to be it's going to be really, really fun. It's going to be music on there. It's going to be food on there. And it's going to take us to this island right here. Once we get to this island, they're going to offer us kayaking or snorkeling or both, whatever it is that you want to do, or you can just eat or just stay on the boat, whatever it is that you want to do. All right. 7-hour tour. It's going to be a lot of fun over here. Plus, you're also going to be able to get access to zip lining as well. Man, I did not add my picture. So this picture right here, I actually have a better picture of me doing this in the same exact location. So I've actually been to Nueva Vallarta. I did this tour right here. I have video of my fiance recording. There was dolphins, like probably like 20 dolphins swimming right next to our boat. The same exact tour, the same thing. I've done this. It was really, really cool. And then I have a picture of me ziplining over here. And then my fiance has a picture of her upside down, just like this. Like when you see these pictures, not just some pictures. No, it's just like this, I promise you. Right? Now, when I go on a vacation, I want to make sure that my room is on point. I want to make sure I'm looking at the water, and not just me, but I want to make sure my friends have the best rooms as well. So everybody that comes is going to be able to get access to a junior ocean suite. I'm really, really excited for everybody that's going to come, especially for the people that, you know, have not really experienced something like this before. When you're around me, you're going to experience nice shit. Excuse my language. Anyways, so the trip itinerary, day number 1. Once you get to the airport, you're going to get picked up at the airport. You're not going to touch your bags. We don't touch your bag. We don't touch bags over here, guys. We don't touch bags. All right? Just letting you know, we don't touch bags. Anyways, so from there, they're going to pick you up at the airport, drop you off to the hotel, freshen up. We're going to have a private welcome reception, cocktails, you know, hors d'oeuvres at the restaurant, at the resort. We're gonna drink a good amount if you'd like. You should. And then from there, we're gonna wake up early and go on to our Yelapa tour. It's gonna be private transfers included with that. We're gonna come back. We're gonna party. We're gonna drink some more. Then we're gonna go to sleep. Day number 3. We're going to have a zip lining tour included with that. And then from there, we're gonna come back and we're gonna drink. We're gonna party. Day number 4 is gonna be our chill day, right? We already, you know, used all of our energy over here. So day number 4 is going to be our chill day, and you can be able to take advantage of the included spa discounts that you're going to get access to. Let me tell you something. Like I don't really do the spa and stuff like that, but I think I'm going to do it this time. All right. And then from there, after that, after dinner, we're going to have a private evening bon voyage get together for us alone. And then day number 5, they're going to take us back to the airport and we're gone. And you can be able to see everything that you're going to get access to over here. And you play one flat rate. It's over $2,000 worth of value when you break down everything that you're going to get access to. The junior suite, ocean view with the balcony, taxes, fees, gratuities, meals, drinks, the welcome and bon voyage receptions, the round trip airport transfers, the 2 tours plus Wi-Fi. Over $2,000 worth of value, and you're not even going to pay hardly anything close to that. So literally, just to reserve your room for 2 people is only $199 just to reserve the room, right? Which is absolutely nothing. And you can also split that. So let's say if it's you and a friend, you can put up your $99, and the other person can put up their $99, and then from there, you want to see the dolphin video? Yeah, I'm gonna get it. It's on my fiance sent it to me. I'm gonna send it to you. I'm going to put it in the group chat or something like that. But anyways, the reservation and deposit is very, very important, guys, because I know there's a lot of people that want to come, but when for some reason when it comes to dates, you guys are slow as hell. If I'm telling you July 1st, don't wait till July 1st. Do not wait. Because the thing is, we only have 15 rooms available, right? We only have 15 rooms available, guys. And here's the thing, guys, it's only $5.99 for the entire trip. That is jack nothing, man. Jack nothing at all, for real. So again, guys, you can be able to put your down payment of only $99, which is nothing. And for 2 people, $199. You can be able to split that. So reserve your room before it sells out. So you can be able to do the full payment, right? Or you can be able to do your monthly payment. Right? So let's just say that it's going to be you, 2 adults in 1 room. You can be able to just click where it says 2 adults in 1 room, no children, and then it'll automatically change the number for you, right? And then you can be able to just click right here where it says make monthly payment, put in your information, put the other guest information, make monthly payment, and then it'll automatically come out of your account every single month. So you don't even have to worry about it. Your trip will be completely paid for, and you don't even got to think, right? Now, let's just say that you're coming in single. Right? Well, single is a little bit more, but it's only $149 for 6 months. No children, make monthly payment, and then you can be able to do that. Let's say that it's going to be you just putting in your 99 and somebody else putting in their 99, right? Just go right here where it says booking separately, rooming with adult, 99 every month for 6 months, no children, make monthly payment, put in the 99, and then what I want you to do is put the person that you're going to be staying with. So let's say Stanley Jones is the person that you're staying with. Put their name in, and then we will be able to pair you up with them. So just make sure when you put in your 99, that person puts in their 99 within the next like 24 to 48 hours, so that we can be able to pair you guys with no issues. Okay. So let's say that you're coming in with kids. Let's say you're just one person with children. You put, you know, one adult with child, and then it'll automatically pay for both of you guys. Let's say you have 2 children, X, Y, and Z. You know, same thing. Let's say you have 2 adults, 2 children, then it'll automatically change the number for you. Okay. Now let's say you want to make the full monthly, the full payment from the jump for 2 people, 2 adults, no children. It'll automatically calculate it for you for your full room. The quantity means per room. So let's say you have 2 rooms, then it's 2 rooms, right? So just 1 room. Then you can be able to just book my room, put in your info, and then I'll put in the other guest info. Okay. Now let's say that you want to make a different payment, right? I don't think it's actually going to be needed, but I just put this just in case you'll be able to do that. But just do this. This is better to do it like this, guys. All right. So when it comes to singles, it's $8.99 for this single. Usually it's double. Usually it's supposed to be $5.99 times 2, but we found a way to be able to make it cheaper for singles. But again, you can be able to just click right here, go to single, 0, and then from there, it'll automatically calculate it for 6 months so that you pay that to the T. For third and fourth, it's the same price. For children under 13, it's only $3.99. For children under 3, it's free, right? Cancellation policy, full refund before October 30th. So you have a lot of time, guys, a lot of time. If you have any questions, you can be able to just scroll over here, write down your question, and go on from there, guys. I'm really, really excited to be able to, you know, do this with you guys. Like, look at this freaking spot, man. Look at our room. I'm gonna be there. We got Carlos that's gonna be there. We got Katrina that's gonna be there. We have Don that's gonna be there. We got Juan that's gonna be there. Who else? We got a good amount of people that are gonna be there. My mom's gonna be there. If you want to meet my mom's. All right, guys. I think Amy's gonna be there. I think. I don't know. This is my daughter. So with that being the case, guys, you know, like we're really looking to be able to create memories. Like, this is not just some course, man. See, here's the thing, guys. Like, there's some people out there. The vision is small, you know. And let me not even say that. I don't want to try anybody. It's just the fact that some people, they're just focused on one thing and that's it. That's all they want. You know, they don't want anything else, and that's fine. But when you're messing with us, it's a little different, guys. There's always something new. There's always something more. There's always a next level. There's always something, and I like that. I never ever want to stay stagnant. I never ever will stay stagnant. I always have to put at the end, God willing, because I don't know what's going to happen as time continues. But I focus on growth, and that's what, you know. That's what this means. I know that probably is like, what? But, you know, every time I wear this, it's like, you know, going for the next level. All right, guys. Next level. All right. Really appreciate your time, guys. Peace.